All right. So yesterday, I finally made the decision that this is how I am going to hold myself accountable for my day trades. I don't know what I'm doing here on YouTube. Not quite sure how much time I'm going to be able to put into editing videos, but I decided to start recording my trades and just posting the videos on YouTube in order to hold myself accountable for my day trades, basically, and make a public record of what I do, hoping that it will make me better at trading, prevent me from making stupid mistakes, which I tend to do a lot, and at the same time, maybe help you guys out if you're on YouTube watching. But most importantly for myself, I just need to make a change. I've been getting murdered for the past 2 months trading, so I'm just going to start here. I'm going to give it a shot, make a video, record it, post it, and see if that changes anything for me at all. So where I stand right now is um, I'm in step 2 of Topstep. Past step 1 back in December. Past step 2 in April, and immediately regressed and just have been getting killed for the past 2 months. So I don't know what else to do right now at this point. I'm just gonna record it, post it, and see if that helps me at all. So that's where we stand as now. I had a fresh reset on Friday on step 2, and it is now Monday. And this is my attempt at recording my trading and sharing it with you guys in hopes that if I continue to screw up, it will be even more embarrassing having to post it in front of you guys. So let's get started. And Monday, step 2, fresh account, and see what happens. All right, this is my first trade. I'm looking to short this. I got a couple signals telling me it's going to go short, but the downfall is that I don't have enough room for this to run for my entire target. It's 9:05, so not a lot of volume, just shy of the market open, and I'm just hoping that maybe we can scalp something again. I'm on a fresh account, so I'm really trying not to screw this up right now. That's way more important to me than making a bunch of money. I mean, I've been losing 80% of my trades, so first and foremost, just to get the ball rolling again, I need to protect myself and stop myself from losing money. Basically, the goal here is to just try to get the ball rolling, get a little cushion on the new account, and see if we can roll into another day. So I'm definitely, I already, moving my target. I'm already moving my target up to that lower trend line. I don't expect it to go any further than that, honestly, but probably could have got a little cleaner entry. Yeah, I'm just getting a little antsy. Want to make sure I cover things. Like I said, I mean, I know I need to let my targets get hit, but at this point, I just need wins. Period. I don't need to be hitting full targets. Um, so yeah, it sucks to bail out at $60, but like I said, I mean, I really don't know that it's going to go past that trend line to begin with. That trend line's only, I think, at $180. So uh, the name of the game right now is just take profits, build the account, and make sure I'm headed in the right direction. I need to build some confidence back up because it's been really bad for the past 2 months. So I locked in 60, and I'll just keep going from here. Coming up on 9:38, I've got a little support retest. Everything's looking pretty bullish, and I'm pretty confident in taking along here if I can get the correct entry. And the market just opened, so I'm looking to be very protective of this one. I'm not willing to let this spike back down just because of opening volatility. So just a quick bailout again. Not real greedy today. I'm not really trying to get my targets hit for sure. 135. I mean, I'll take that all day. Like I said, headed in the right direction. That's the important part for today's goals. Now, normally I would never go against the trend. It's a pretty firm rule of mine, but I'm seeing some pretty good resistance here. If we can get a chance to scalp a short, I would like to take it, even though it's a little riskier against the trend. I mean, I'm getting some good bearish signals coming in, but if I'm going to take a short, I just need to get the proper entry. I play with a very tight stop loss, so I got to be extra careful on my entries. Can definitely not afford to get in early.
Order filled.
And again, I mean, it's just a little scalp trade for fear of giving back profits, but hitting my targets today is not the goal. Increasing my account is. So I mean, it turned out to be a really good trade, but whatever. I'm locking in profits. I don't have room to risk anymore right now, and I'm not trying to keep having 80% losing days, so I can chisel my way into decent profits. But you can see there, my target would have been hit pretty easily on that leg, if not double it. Looking for a breakdown here. The bearish signals are still all looking good, so I'm comfortable shorting this. I tend to not go after the breakout itself just because I've been burned so many times on it. The retest is much more of my trading style. So typically that's what I'm going to look for.
Order filled.
And I'm just not really feeling the selling pressure here.
Order
I mean,
filled.
it's already broke out in a retest. Like, typically on my entries, it should shoot pretty quickly. And when it hesitates like that, usually is enough to get me out of the trade. This one just happened to be for basically break even at $10. And the setup itself still looks good. The bearish indicators still look good. So I'm getting in another one here. Short the same trade.
Order filled.
Hovering that exit button because I'm too scared to take a loss right now. But it is what it is.
Order filled.
Pulled off 85.95 there. Again, just chiseling away. I don't mind. I mean, it sucks because my targets are getting hit, but that's not the goal today. The goal today is creep up a little bit of profits, build some confidence so that I actually can take some real trades the rest of this week. And it was a phenomenal trade with the big leg down again. It's a good sign that should help build the confidence. But most importantly, I'm locking in the $95. So I think we were 5 trades. I mean, it just happens to be 100% win rate, but mostly because I bailed out of the losing trade. Just happened to grab $10 on it. So that was actually 4 out of 5 should have been winners. I mean, if I hold all my trades and let them rip to targets, I think it's 760 in profits. What I actually did was 5 out of 5 for $375. So bailing early, like I said, I mean, 375. My daily goal right now is $300. So I hit my daily target. Most importantly, I got a winning day on day one of step 2 of the combine. And the most important thing is here we get the ball rolling for the rest of the week. And I'm going to continue with the same goal the rest of this week. Just safe trades, hopefully, good decisions, and see if we can't get this thing rolling the rest of the week in the same direction. I appreciate you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.